Hey J&J PAD Pals. Today's video. Today we're gonna make a gift for my mom's friends.
Okay, yeah. Do you know what the gift is?
Yeah?
What's the gift?
I don't know what it is. Johnny said yes.
Okay. Well, we're using a Cricut machine, but if you don't have a Cricut machine, you just can do it by hand. And then use an iron, right? Because it gets really hot. And what are we making, Johnny? We're making coasters. Jose, what are we making?
Coasters.
Yeah.
Again.
And what's coasters? You put your...
You put your favorite things on them, and then you make like things to put your cups on,
So you
your
put
foods
your
on,
you put food
your French
on
fries.
Your French fries? I don't know if you put French fries, but yes, definitely cups and glasses, your drink. Right, Johnny? Cups and glasses.
And your little teddies.
Okay.
Like I heard, I don't really know what two favorite things are.
You like a mermaid?
No. Me and Johnny.
Oh, for Anna, that's awesome. Set it up so everyone sees what they need first. So coasters.
Coasters?
Of course, you need some Cricut pens and markers. Yeah, Cricut
And markers.
and some heat-resistant tape.
Ooh.
Yep. We need some laser paper, not regular paper. Some cardstock and a good cloth to wipe off any lint. Okay, and this is the machine we're gonna print it out from. Cricut machine. That's Mommy's. Yep. We just want to be careful with it. And we're gonna need a mat, and we're gonna need a heat press. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Yay! So here we have our laser paper on the sheet. We have our Cricut machine set up, and then we're gonna print out some designs. So now it is on draw and mirror. The pen's here. We slid the standard Cricut mat, and now we're going to press the button. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna press that blinking button there. All right, you're gonna go ahead and press that, and it's gonna check the paper and start drawing right away. These are a few designs that we have already. It's finished printing. See that? Oh, that's the coasters. But look, it's finished printing right here. Look. You see the flashing button? Press it. And the paper comes out. Alright, so there it is.
We cut out the laser paper clips.
And now what we're going to do?
Mommy, look at this.
Yeah, we're going to color it with some markers. Yep.
No!
Alright, Johnny, that looks great. So we did finish up another one. Awesome. Okay, we can put that pen away.
Okay.
Yeah. There. I think you need a little bit more orange. Just go ahead. In that white spot. Alright, it looks like we finished up all of them, right?
Where's Johnny's?
Johnny finished this one, the black one.
Okay.
Cool, and let's see yours.
Wait, it's not done.
Stay in the lines, please.
I'm looking everywhere.
Okay. Maybe right there.
Ooh.
Okay, so I already taped some of it on. Okay. So what are you going to do now? You're going to take one of these tapes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. These are heat-resistant tapes. And you're going to put it right here. You see how I put it? You're going to tape one, put one on here, and then tape it to the bottom, okay?
Okay.
All right. So now, wait, Johnny, not your turn yet. First, so Jose, what are you going to do?
I'm going to take one tape.
What kind of tape is it?
Heat resistant.
And you're going to put it onto the coaster. One, and then you're going to fold it underneath. There you go. Great job.
Done.
Now your turn, Johnny.
Okay.
Take a tape.
Okay. I put it.
And you're putting it here.
Dang.
Right here. Right here. And then you're going to fold it underneath. Pick it up and fold it underneath. Perfect. Great job.
We taped it on, so now it's like this.
And then you put it face down.
Down.
Cool. And then you put some butcher paper on there, right? Try to flatten it out. Very good. All right. So this is very, very
Can you
hot.
hold it for me?
Sure. I'll hold it in 1 second. This is very, very hot because it says 360 degrees, right?
Uh-huh.
So what's going to happen is I'm going to help you.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to put it on top.
Am I going to help?
You're just going to push the button.
What button? This one?
The green button. See the green
Oh,
button?
that's hot.
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Go. So we got to wait 300 seconds. Okay? 300 seconds for it to go. You're not going to do anything.
Ooh, that's hot.
You don't put your hand here because it is hot. All we're doing is just putting the press down. Okay, Johnny, you're going to turn it down like this over here on this side. On this side. Just turn it face down. Very good. All right. Is it a little warm there? And then, mommy's take a piece of butcher paper. This butcher paper, put it on top like that. All right. And then, you're going to push the button. I'm going to do it. You're going to push the button, okay?
Okay.
Push the green button. Green button. All right. Lift it up and then put it in.
10.
And then we put it into the holder.
9.
Good job. And, ooh, don't touch. It's hot. Oh, are you
Is
okay?
this hot?
No, the paper's not hot. But I have something.
But is
No,
this hot?
that's hot. Yes, Jose. And you keep touching it. I just move it over with the scissors.
Is this hot?
No, yes, it's still a little hot. Everything is a little hot. Okay, that's it.
4,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Okay, so you're going to lift it up. I'm going to help you. Lift it up, okay? And then move out of the way so we can put it back into the case. Oh, and we move the paper. I'm going to use the scissors to move it off the paper, okay? Move it off the paper. Or we can leave it there. We can leave it there until it cools down, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try to take off one. With here. Oh,
Take it off.
it's not that bad.
No.
Not that. You want to take it off?
Yeah.
It's a little warm.
Yeah.
You want to help?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm taking off one. Be careful.
I'm
One side.
on
Ooh, Johnny, a little gentle, please. Gentle. Wow, look at it. Jose, look. For Anna, your friend. Look, Jose. Look at the colors. Oh, Johnny, let them see. Do you see that?
I saw it.
You saw it? What do you think it looks like? What do you
I got it.
Oh, thank you,
It looks
Johnny.
like
I have some more. It looks like a bee?
It looks like a word on me.
Oh, it says birthday girl. It does say birthday girl.
Wait, does it?
Yeah.
It
Over
doesn't.
here, look at them. Look how they turned out. Wow, look at the colors. And this one, ooh, look at the mermaid tail. Looks very nice, right?
Where's the head?
There's no head. I didn't run a head, just the tail. All of her favorite things. They look
Where's
good.
the tape?
I took them off.
Actually, real metal.
Yes, real. It's real, Jose. Jose.
Oh,
Jose, it
God.
is real. Yes.
Thanks for joining us.
Bye, J&J PAD Pals.
Bye, J&J PAD Pals.